All right, everybody. How are we doing? Today, what we're going to be doing is that we are going to make a brand new adventure, and we are going to do it from the template. Now, the template is made specifically for modders to help y'all make your own adventures for the RimWorld Adventures mod. You'll find the template inside of the mod core, so go to your Steam Workshop and download the mod core. Inside of the mod core, swapping over, you'll see that that there's a folder called template. You want to go ahead and use this folder. So inside of that folder, you have RimWorld Adventures template, and this is going to be a template with text files of everything you're going to need to set up your own adventure and to kind of help you keep structured. So what you want to do is go ahead, copy this, and you want to go ahead and paste this into your mods folder. Now I'm already in my mods folder. I'm pulling it straight from my core. You can find it inside of your Steam folder. So inside your mods folders, go ahead and paste your template, and you'll see that now we have our very own template. So inside the template, the two main areas of focus are going to be the about and the defs. What I've done is that I went ahead and I've given you everything you need in the form of an about folder. Oh, I'm sorry, in the form of text files. Yes. Close out some of these. All right. Sorry about that. Okay. So right here, inside these text files, basically what you want to look for is anything with a square bracket around it, and these are going to be the things that you want to update with your own information. So for example, this right here, I'm about to update the about file. The about file is, of course, the most important file that the game reads. This is how it recognizes it as a mod. So let's go ahead and name everything up. So first off, we need to name the mod. We've got to come up with something spicy, boys. So let's call this one, this is a template, so we'll call it the template of doom. Boom, huh? Come on, ominous. Ominous as fuck. Alright, so right over here, now we're going to go ahead and put in the package ID. Generally, this is the author.mod name, so give credit to yourself. So we'll say Nolabert. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and put in the name. Now, RWA underscore, this is optional. This is just RimWorld Adventures, if you want to keep the standard format. For your adventure name, just go ahead and name it whatever. So this right here was the Template of Doom. Outstanding. You just want to try to make sure that this is unique from other possible adventures out there. For the supported versions, not even really going to fuck around with 1.1 anymore. So we're just going to do 1.2. For the mod dependencies, you can add other dependencies if you want to add in other IPs. For right here, though, you will need the dependency on the core. So, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You can put in your load order as well as your description that will appear inside the game. So yeah, so once you're done filling out this file or any file inside of this template, just go ahead and save it as an XML. Okay. Oh shoot, see, this is my dog's favorite part. So now you can see that we have an XML about file, and now this is officially a mod that will be recognized by the game. You'll also see inside the about folder that I provided a picture. This is the RimWorld Adventures preview. Basically, it's just a little icon without the name of the adventure on it. So you'll feel free to take this, edit it, and add your own adventure names, or to do whatever you want. Put your own picture or graphic in there. Whatever. I just figured this might be useful for y'all to have. Okay, so you're more than welcome to expand the namespaces, do whatever you want with it. The main thing in here is going to be inside the def folder. So for each of these, for the most part, you're probably going to need more or less every one of these to make a fully functioning adventure. Don't worry though, I'm going to walk you through how to use each of them. In fact, I'm going to set up a fully functioning adventure right in front of your very eyes, right? So yeah, so you'll notice that they're all have text files inside of them. And I'm just going to kind of go through and we're going to use these to set up our mod. Now the mod itself is going to be a more or less an exhibition where we're going to be just showcasing what this utility can do. What I want to really focus on is like not so much making it such a dynamic or crazy instance, so much as showing you versatility. So I wanted to go ahead and do things like making linked labyrinths where they're going to have multiple labyrinths on one map, having chained labyrinths where you have labyrinths leading to other labyrinths, kind of make a dungeon crawler effect, and then also try kind of showcase how some of the functionality works. I figured that this is probably the best way to teach people how to use this mod. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this first video right here, and then we're gonna get started up on building our first labyrinth.